You know what time it is? It's time for a campground review. And this one, I'm super happy and excited to share with you. And it's in Ouray, not Ouray, Ouray, Colorado. Didn't even know this place was really a thing. We're at Ouray Riverside Resort, right outside of town here. It's actually kind of in town, but it's fabulous. This is like a gem. It's so beautiful on so many levels. We're actually by the river, so I'll showcase that. Motorcycles. This place, I cannot wait to share the video. It's going to be about Jeeps and motorcycle rides, the $1 Million highways here. There's hikes, there's waterfalls, there's mines to go explore. You can rent a Jeep and go on trails. It is full of just so much adventure and fun and beauty. This is a great discovery. So let me go down and show you where we're at, give you a tour of the park real quick, show you the cafe and some other things, and yeah, we'll just complete from there. When you pull in right off the road, there's actually the office. The main office during the summer months is here. During the off-peak season, it's on another location where they rent Jeeps and where they have cabins. So, but right off the road, right behind me, the sign, you come straight into the office, and then they go ahead and site you to your place. I believe there's about 75 to 100 different spots here. Some of them are premium sites if you're right up against the water. But they also have a cafe. Let me show you the cafe and some cabins and stuff too. So it's kind of neat. They actually have a cafe right here, and it's actually a steak place at night. And during the morning time, you can actually come all you can eat buffet type scenario. And then next to it, you actually have your laundry facilities, your men's, your women, you know, bathhouse type scenario is right next to it. They also have cabins that are down on the other side, and this awesome walkway, that path that you can take all the way into town. You can take e-bikes and scooters and things like that as well. The campground is divided into a couple different areas. You have your main camping area for RVs, and then they have the cabins along the river in two different sections. And it's split up by an old silver mine that you can actually tour as well. But this path that you see right here, if you go this direction like Sheila and I did, it goes down, makes a huge loop all the way around, or you can go the other direction and go all the way into town and go explore Ouray. It's actually just an amazing setup. The town's small. Everything about this is just fun. You can go down and sit by the water. Our site actually is over by the water, so we can sit out on our back patio and listen to the stream and stuff at night. So I guess we'll go down the path a little bit. I can show you. So yeah, we're right here by the river. Now, I believe we can ask Sheila, the boss. She's in here doing some cleaning. Sheila! Oh, she's organizing. We'll give you that video later on. Come here.
Yes.
So I'm telling them about the site and how much did it cost to like be here in this place?
So we are in what's considered a premium river view site, which it's pretty fantastic, and it was $88 a night.
Okay, I have not taken them down to the other cabin section. Should I go down there? And...
Well, that's also where they rent the Jeeps.
Okay.
So you could scope out
where that is. Okay,
yeah.
We'll go do that real quick. But I think it's just, I was telling them how magical, like all the things that you can do here and how awesome.
Yeah, this
is probably one of our best finds.
Yeah, this is moved up at the top of the list.
All right, let's go down.
We say that a lot.
We do, but I mean, as you travel, you start finding more.
Yeah.
Let me run on to the other side and let's show you where that is as well, because you could actually rent cabins here and stay if you don't have an RV. Okay, all right, here I go. What divides up this campground is actually like a silver, I don't know if they do processing. And in the morning time, some downfalls are, sometimes they're using heavy equipment to bring dirt and rock and stuff in. Don't want to fall. And then on top of that, you will get fighter jets that fly over the top and will scare you. Once a day, they make their run, I guess. And so they fly low too through the canyon. So, and you don't even know they're there until all of a sudden they're on top of you. It's pretty amazing. Here, we're almost through this part. So one of the highlights here is actually renting Jeeps, and it's so beautiful in the terrain, but they actually do that here at this resort as well. So all the Jeeps are named, they have different names on them, and I don't know the prices on them because we're blessed to have somebody take us out for the day in one of them. I'll have to look that up, but you have that ability. Put this on your list of places to come and hang out. I never once heard of Little Switzerland is what they call this, Little Switzerland of America, but just the views as you're sitting out here and having coffee in the morning, and it's really amazing. It really is. Hopefully this campground review helps. The sites are ginormous. You don't have any problems. There's plenty of room. They do have some that are longer for people for pull-throughs, but depending on what you're wanting to do, just look it up online. And until our next campground review, I don't know if I can outdo this one. This one's a pretty good one. It's nice to do a good one for a change. All right, we'll shout at you later. Thanks for following along.